We've got a 505i Super I baler. It's in really nice shape. They got a twisted belt on these, and those two belts twist. That one's twisted in the back and then it's twisted in the front, but they've got that something to do with the hay and how it does it, but that's factory. That's the way it's supposed to be. I've had some guys ask about that, but this baler is super clean. It's got a really beautiful in the intake. Excellent original paint. It is a 540 PTO, but I'm going to tell you, this right here, the CV joint is bad, okay? If you bring that down, it's greasy, I'm not going to do it, but if you bring it down, that CV joint is bad right there, and needs fixed before you can use it. We can't get it in a timely fashion. I don't have a Vermeer dealer close, so just buy it like that. But you're not going to take it straight to the field. There's a ball that's bad in that, and that needs replaced. Even if you do away with that, that part needs replaced because it's kind of stuck in that crook area. It won't rotate. So other than that, he said the baler did a good job. We sold him a much later model baler, but this thing is nice. It's always been shedded. It's got the gathering wheels on the outside. And you can see this belt here is twisted up on top, okay? But that is how they do. They run, they've got a twist in them, something to do with keeping the hay. I can't tell you why, but I just know that's the way they made them. But it's the two small belts, and but very nice. It is a twine only baler. There is no monitor with this. You look right here, it's manual tie, okay? When it gets to that line, that's when you know you got a full bale.